morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Thursday, April 23rd. The euro declined 0.14% against the US dollar and closed out 1.0722 after the Eurozone's consumer confidence index fell unexpectedly to a level of minus 4.60 in April, compared to market expectations of advance to a level of minus 2.50. The pair is expected to find support at 1.0658, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.0619. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.0768, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.0840. Trading trends in the pair today are expected to be determined by the Eurozone's manufacturing PMI, along with its peripheries scheduled in a few hours for further direction. The British pound rose 0.73% against the US dollar and closed out 1.5037 after the release of the Bank of England minutes yielded no surprises. Yesterday, the minutes of the Bank of England's latest monetary policy meeting showed that the policy setters were unanimous in their decision to hold the borrowing costs at 0.5%. The minutes also indicated that the central bank officials were optimistic that inflation would bounce back next year as downward pressure on prices fade. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5018, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.5009. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.5034, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5041. The US dollar strengthened 0.28% against the Japanese yen and closed at 119.99. Early morning data indicated that the preliminary manufacturing PMI in Japan unexpectedly fell to 49.70 in April, while market anticipation went for it to rise to 50.70. The pair is expected to find support at 119.52, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 119.05. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 120.29, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 120.58. Going forward, investors would keep a close eye on the Bank of Japan Deputy Governor Hiroshi Nakasawa's speech, scheduled tomorrow. The Australian dollar strengthened 0.39% against the US dollar to close at 0.7746. Earlier today, the National Australian Bank and the NAB reported that the Business Confidence Index in Australia dropped to 0 in the first quarter 2015, compared to a level of 2 in the prior quarter. Elsewhere in China, Australia's biggest trading partner, the preliminary HSBC Market Manufacturing PMI Index unexpectedly dropped to 12-month low of 49.2 in April and remained in contraction territory compared to the market expectations to remain unchanged. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7697, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.7662. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.7787, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.7843. The gold prices traded lower by 1.27% against the US dollar at $1187.20 per ounce, after upbeat economic data from the US showed that existing home sales in March surged much more than expected, thus hurting the demand for the safe haven yellow metal as an alternative investment. Separately, gold holdings in the SPDR Gold Trust edged up to 742.35 tons from its previous level of 739.06 tons. The pair is expected to find support at 1178.93, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1170.86. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1199.73, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1212.46. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMate app right now and receive daily market information, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options, and more, covering a wide range of markets, including energy, metals, indices, and forex, among others. Trade easily, trade successfully. For more information on CommexFX TradeMate app, kindly visit our main website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channels. Have a great trading day!